Okay. How to prepare for DLR section of CAT 26 if you're starting from May 26? On Patrick's course exam 100% dialogue, been training students for CAT for more than 25 years. So fairly comfortable with the exam. Now, the idea is basically try to complete a syllabus in 3 months' time, May to July. And then in the next August to November, focus on practicing mocks. That's what you should do. Practice and mocks. Right. What do you need to do in from May to July? First round of syllabus. It's basically 92 days. You need to spend around 1 to 2 hours a day on DLR section for preparation. This is separate from the quant and verbal section. You need to spend 1 to 2 hours on the DLR section every day. Now, what do you do in that? In that time, try to pick up sets and solve. I mean, you can pick up, I've given number of days you need to spend on each topic. But in each of those days, what you need to do is focus on practice. I mean, let's say you're doing case state on 3 days. So pick up their case states. Maybe in 1 hour you can solve 2 sets or 3 sets. So in a span of 3 days, you'll solve 6, 7 sets. So you'll be fairly comfortable with the type of question that come in case states. I mean, there are Venn diagram in both DI and LR because there are Venn diagram which are DI based, the Venn diagram which are LR based. In the CAT, you have more Venn diagram questions which are slightly logic based. So you can look at that. Right now, the focus is in this particular thing is try to be aware of the fundamentals. In the examination, what you get is you get a combination of 2 or 3 topics, and the sets are based on that. But knowing the individual sets of topics helps you to solve those questions. So understand individual topics, and that should help you to prepare for the exam. So every day take a few DRR sets and solve. Okay. Apart from that, solve puzzles. It helps you to develop thinking ability. Minesweeper, Sudoku, Kakuro, Hirato, chess puzzles. So around 15 to 20 minutes of a puzzle will help. Also practice calculation. You do the same thing for mathematics, the same calculation out here. Simple 2-digit addition, subtraction, multiplication. Simple calculation, be comfortable. Because of simple calculation, avoid using calci. If you can try to do it in your mind, it will help you save a lot of time. Right? Hope this helps. We'll come up with videos that will help you. There is a separate video for quant, there is a separate video for verbal for preparing for CAT 26. You can look at those videos if you're preparing for CAT 26. It will help you to plan your studies.